Mike Westfall here at McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to tell you about mason bees. Mason bees are native, non-aggressive, friendly bees that naturally already live in our area. They're great pollinators, so they're going to help pollinate your flowers, your vegetables. It's a great thing to encourage to stay in your yard using these mason bee houses. So mason bees are actually looking for small holes in wood or what a woodpecker might have pecked into a tree, and they're going to go in here and they're going to live all season long, and they're going to lay their eggs in here and pack them full of mud, and then in the spring they'll hatch again and the cycle will start over. So these you want to hang in a small tree or a shrub 5 feet high or lower on a sunny side so it gets nice and warm during the day, and this is a great way to encourage those bees to stay in your yard year after year and be great pollinators in our area. We also carry a huge collection of homes for butterflies and ladybugs as well, and we even have a multi-habitat that will attract all of them. So great things to come in and check out here at McDonald Garden Center.